It's been really long. I can't even see Shaurya anywhere. I can't understand what is happening inside. I think I'll have to go inside and check.
Is it like you know that there is someone inside, but you don't want me to meet that person?
What? What? What nonsense is this?
Who is inside that room?
No one is there. No one is there.
Okay. I get it now. Why were you in a hurry to send me away? Because there is someone inside.
There's no one there. Trust me.
Let me also meet this little secret of yours.
Mom.
Shaurya? You? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Please, Mom. You please don't say anything to me. All of this was Dad's plan.
Huh? What? What are you saying?
That's enough, both of you. I really don't like this kind of suspense. Will someone tell me what is going on here?
Fraud that Dad did with you. A truth that he has hidden from you.
Shaurya, Sakshi, I'll explain.
Mom, it has been 24 years that you two have spent together. But it is sad that you still don't know Father properly. And also don't know what he does behind your back. It's amazing that how do you do all of this? Hats off to you.
That's enough, Shaurya. Stop beating around the bush and tell me clearly. Tell me what is going on over here.
Dad, I think this is time to tell Mother the whole truth properly.
Shaurya,
No, Dad. Your game is over. I think this is time to tell Mother the whole truth properly.
As per our plan, all three of them looked tensed. But Raima? Raima is an important part of the plan. Where is she?
Shaurya,
Relax, Dad. Actually, Mom, I was going to get Durga here alone. But before me, Dad came here.
Shaurya, again?
Mom, please! Within past half hour, there is no lecture, no advice that Dad hasn't given me. I agree that it was my fault that I was going to get Durga here. Mom, there is an old saying, right? That if someone who gets lost finds his way back, then he is not foolish. I'm sorry, Mom. Dad, please forgive me.
Of course.
So this was the father-son secret? And you know what? I'm happy. I'm really happy. The thing that you couldn't understand with my scoldings, you understood when your father explained to you. I'm okay with that. In fact, Shaurya, seeing this change in you, the change in your attitude, I'm very happy.
Thank you, Mom. But all the credit goes to Dad.
Oh no. Sakshi, sometimes there should be a man-to-man talk between a father and son.
I completely agree with you. And honestly, I had never thought in 24 years that you will be able to explain this to Shaurya.
But I am not done yet. We have yet to finish our discussions. Sakshi, before Basu comes here, we will sort out the issue between the father and the son. And you do one thing, you go home. I will finish my work and come home. And then we'll talk peacefully. How about that?
Okay?
What's happening here? Who are you?
I was looking for Mr. Mukhopadhyay's farmhouse. I thought this is the one.
Oh yes, who tries to find the way by sneaking like this in the window? Do you think I'm a fool? Come with me.
Hey, no, I'm not lying.
Come on.
Shh, Sharma. You are not doing right thing. I did not forget anyway, okay? I was here. I was here to meet Shaurya. I wanted to surprise him, but because of you, my whole surprise plan is ruined. And if by mistake I tell this to Shaurya, then you know what he can do with you, Sharma.
Oh no, madam. Don't do that. Please forgive me. I didn't know that you knew Shaurya Master.
Okay, I'll forgive you. And by the way, why to do drama in front of Sakshi auntie and Raj uncle? I will meet Shaurya some other time when he will be alone. Surprise some other time.
Oh, okay. You just let me know. I will fully support you.
You sure?
Yes, sure.
Bye, Mom.